It's March Madness, the tournament ready to dominate the landscape. So sound the horn for what just might be the best sports days of the year, featuring the cream o' the crop in college hoops. Whether you're just a guy, a manly man, or a McGirl in search of the key to your brackets, a lock to win the title. If you want to be smart, I mean really sharp, it is vital that you bone up on the participants. So, if we may be so bolden, allow us to quickly break down the tourney.
The New Mexico State Aggies are dancing.
It will be colorful with black, white, gray, brown, green, and red-ish. It will be presidential. Washington, Monroe, Jackson, Taylor, Johnson, Hayes, Hoover, Nixon, Ford, Carter, and Clinton. Or if you prefer, a king and a queen. Maybe a different brand of hero, an admiral or a muscleman, ready to battle, ward off any outlaw, savage, or other hazard to keep you out of harm's way. You'll be one with nature, a bear and a bird, plenty of woods, a forest, perhaps with a round tree, a rose, and likely some moss on a stone. You'll be refreshed with a pool, a lake, a bay, a beach, ponds, brooks, basically anything that allows you to wade into the waters. You'll see a hunter, a porter, a painter, a butler, a tailor, a houser, a wheeler, a gardener, a walker, a baker, even a bona fide cook, serving up a tasty morsel or two, maybe something French or Far Eastern, or something simple like a taco, possibly crisp with a side of rice and bean. I should warn you, he might sneak in some livers, lard, even kale, so don't forget the salt, and of course, a good broom to tidy up. Velp.
Are you kidding?
Bottom line, it's much ado about something. The NCAA Tournament promises to provide your daily dose of entertainment. It'll keep you young and leave you wanting more and more. So Simon says, sit back, relax, grab a little coffee, or if you prefer, something stronger, maybe Remy Martin, and do not forget the cocktail cherry. Enjoy March Madness.